Hey, got another Spyderco SpyMyto. Just happened to be looking at stuff on DLT when this dropped. I was like, well, okay, looks pretty neat. I like Spydercos. Definitely something different. Let's give it a first flick. Very cool. Like this blade shape. And this kind of collaboration with Lion Steel. And looks like it's made in Italy. Makes sense. Spyderco. M398. Pretty cool. It's a little bit of an upgraded version of M390. I guess they can harden it a little more. Let's see. A little lock bar notch here. Pretty thin knife. Very thin. Definitely a lot different than what I'm used to for Spyderco. That's cool. Floating carbon fiber back spacer. This removable flipper tab, which I like it. Got a nice detent for a thin little knife. Try to thumb fit. Yeah. Get a full grip on it. Yeah, that's sharp. Whew, just felt that a little bit. Very cool. SpyMyto. Somebody was asking about the pocket clip. There it is. It's got a little spider on it. It's got a screw on the back. Very neat. Oh, got some numbers here. 351 out of 2000. That's cool. Very interesting little knife. There's your pocket clip. See, this is the new jumbo pocket clip. It's quite a bit bigger, a little longer. The spider's in a different spot. See, we have the McBee pocket clip. It's a lot smaller. The spider's also in a different spot. Comparison. It's a bit smaller than the Yojumbo. It's bigger than the McBee. Let's see, overall, about 8 inches almost exactly. I think the blades, they said it was like 3.3 inches. Not a pretty good size. Typically like a little bit longer blade, but it's a good size. Very cool. This grind, I guess it's kind of a saber grind. Feels a little curved. Nice micarta handle. There's no liner on the micarta side. Titanium looks cool. It's got some little milling on here. Texturing over here. Kind of matches the micarta a little bit. A sweet knife. Definitely a good one to add to my Spydercos. Oh, my what is this? SpyMyto Flash Run. It's a pretty awesome little thing. Definitely enjoy having it around. Give it some more flicks. Pretty sweet. Lion steel. Spyderco SpyMyto. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.